If you're playing games and you're trying to listen to what's happening in the game, but your teammates in Discord are just speaking too loudly, then this SC8 Mixer from Fifine will allow you to turn them down whilst you're destroying the competition in the game, and then you can turn them back up when you are good and ready. You can even scare them
by completely changing your voice.
This connects with the included USB-C cable, and the other end can connect through USB-A or USB-C into your computer. It will work on a PlayStation by flipping the switch on the back, but it doesn't work in an Xbox. It is very colourful when you first plug it in, and you can change these light sequences by the switch on the back. You can also do it in the Fifine Genie software. If you are not a fan of these lights, you can hold that button down and it will disable them. The auxiliary port is if you want to connect something like a tablet or a mobile phone, and you can play the audio from this device to your stream. There is a switch on the back for whatever microphone you are using, whether it's a dynamic or a condenser. Just make sure you've selected the right one for your mic, and if you require phantom power, there is a 48 volt button on here which you just press to enable. There's an audio equalizer on top for both of the microphone and your headphones to give you an idea if you are peaking the audio. Plugging in a pair of headphones and everything seems to be working as it should. The 7.1 button does as it says and you get surround sound, so no complaints with that. I found that if I'm watching a movie and it does get loud in parts, then it does seem to peak quite regularly. This may have a little bit to do with the headphones that I'm using, so you may find that you need to play around with the slider in your operating system to help reduce this. The custom buttons allow you to record up to 15 seconds of audio, so whatever you've got plugged into this and is playing, when you hold this button down and it records it, you can tap that button and it will replay it back to your stream. There is an EQ button, and you can toggle between a music mode, a game mode and a movie mode. Now this only affects what you can hear through your headphones, it does nothing to your microphone. The game mode seems to add a very subtle boost to the bass. The music mode knocks the volume down a little, and this is the mode that I probably wouldn't use personally. And the movie mode gives a little bit of a kick to the audio, as it does boost that volume a little, and I seem to get a more fuller sound when I'm using this mode for listening to music rather than the actual music mode. This is all personal preference though, so have a play around with these buttons to see which ones suit you. The output knob is for your headphones, so you can turn the volume up and down with this, and you can press the button and it will mute it. This is the same case for the auxiliary port and your microphone, so you can mute either of these if you want to. The bigger of the dials is to adjust the volume of your game and your chat. This one doesn't have a mute option when you press it, and to set this up properly, you will need to set up your output as the Fifine SC8 game and the input as the Fifine SC8 mic. Manual configuration of the EQ can't be done directly on the mixer. This has to be done through the Fifine Genie software. You do get some presets available in here for either the output, which is the sound that's coming through your headphones, or the input, which is your microphone, but you can manually configure the EQ if you are confident in doing so. You can do all the stuff you can do on the mixer inside of the software, like changing the light sequences and muting the inputs and outputs. There is an internal recording option, but I don't think this does anything. I imagine it's supposed to be for those custom buttons, but flipping the switch doesn't do anything from what I can see. The voice changer comes with 8 different presets, and these can be changed at the push of a button.
This is what the elder voice is going to sound like. This is the monster voice. This is your robot voice.
This is as though you are speaking through a megaphone.
This is the baby voice, personally my favourite.
This is what I sound like as a female.
This is what I sound like as a male.
And this is the auto-tune button, which I imagine makes me sound a little more robotic. This is a recording with the mic monitor disabled. This is a recording with the mic monitor enabled. You should be able to hear my voice sounding slightly robotic, which means there is this very small amount of latency. Now there's no line out jack on this, which means that you can't use this in a dual PC setup.